Hello everyone, in today's video we'll show you how to hide your Instagram following/followers list. Your following consists of all the people that follow you and that you've let them follow. And if you don't want anybody to see that, you have to do the following. Go to the top right and click on the three little lines here. Then click on Settings. Once this menu pops out, click on Privacy. Here you have several options, but we are interested only in the first one where it says private account. If you toggle this little switch on, it will make your account private, meaning that people won't be able to freely follow you. That means that if somebody wants to follow them, you have to confirm for them to be able to follow you. So they won't be able to see your followers list, but they also won't be able to see your pictures, your posts, your stories, everything. They will just be able to see the numbers, but not who and what you're following and who's following you. So that's what private account means. So if you turn this on, it will display only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can tag you and mention you or message you. So I'm going to switch this to private. And now if somebody wants to come and see my followers and then click here, for example, they won't be able to see it. But let's say if I go to this person's Instagram account and I click on their followers, as you can see, I can see their followers because their account is public. There is no way to make your account public and hide your followers at the same time. That's just not a viable method. But if you click follow back, and let's say you want to have a person that you want to restrict from seeing your followers, you can do the following. You can click on following and click to restrict. And this will show you that what exactly a restriction does, but it will hide the followers from them as well, but only from this specific person. It won't hide absolutely everything, but it will just hide the followers. And if you just want to hide everything from a person, you just need to block them entirely, not restrict them. And that's pretty much it. So hope this helped. See you next time with more tutorials. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to. And have a nice day.